Canceling Housecall Pro is simple, but if you skip exporting your data first, you can lose customer history, invoices, and job records you may need later. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to cancel your subscription, what to save before doing it, and what to watch for on billing. The first step is inside your account settings. Log into Housecall Pro on desktop, not mobile. Go to Settings, then Account and Billing. That's where your subscription details are managed. Look for the Plan section, and find the Cancel option. If your account is on a monthly plan, cancellation usually stops the next renewal. If you're on an annual contract, your billing terms may be different, so check those before confirming. That's the part people miss. Before you hit Cancel, export everything. Go to your customer list, invoices, estimates, and job history. Download them as CSV files or PDFs. This matters if you're switching to Jobber, ServiceCitin, or another field service platform. Importing clean data saves hours of setup later. Also, check your recurring jobs. If you have maintenance plans, automated reminders, or scheduled visits, those stop once the account closes. Finish active work or move those customers into your new system first. Now look at your payment settings. If you're using Housecall Pro payments, make sure any pending payouts are completed before canceling. If money is still processing, shutting down early can create delays or extra support tickets. Another thing to check is your team access. If you have multiple users, let them know before you cancel. Once the account closes, technicians may lose access to schedules, notes, and customer addresses immediately. If you don't see a cancel button, there's usually a reason. Some Housecall Pro accounts are set up through sales reps or custom agreements. In that case, you'll need to contact support directly. Use live chat or email and ask for account closure. If you're not fully ready to leave, ask about downgrading. A lower plan can keep your customer records active while cutting your monthly cost. That's useful if you're slowing down or testing another platform. So the process is straightforward. Go to Billing, check your contract, export your data, clear recurring jobs, and make sure all payouts are complete before canceling. Your next step is to log into Housecall Pro and export your customer and invoice data first. That's the one step that's hardest to undo. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Housecall Pro tutorials and software fixes.